Hello guys, I'm Architect Oliver and welcome again to my channel. Today we will discuss the types of doors because I believe that the doors are very important factor to our design. We should know the location, correct location of the doors, the material that we will use to our doors, and etc. From this video, we can see the doors based on location, types of doors based on material, and types of door based on operation of shutter door and based on method of construction. We will discuss it one by one. So let's start. First, we'll discuss the types of door based on location. While designing your house, it is important to know where the doors needs to be placed. Based on their location, doors are classified in the following ways. The first one is exterior door, and of course, the interior door. Exterior doors, like this image, exterior doors or front doors of a dwelling is given the utmost importance. The interior doors allows entrance to or exit from a house and provide a measure of security. These doors must be weather resistant as they are exposed to various climatic conditions. The exterior doors are provided with adequate thickness, stability, and durability of construction. The exterior doors are given a protective coating of paint and polish. They are generally made of steel or wood. They are well designed to accommodate different types of locks. The next one is interior doors, like you see in the image. Interior doors do more than just separating rooms and providing privacy. Generally, interior doors are thinner than the exterior doors, and it comes in a variety of styles. They are available in different materials. They do not undergo the severities to the weather. Next is the type of door based on materials. If you know the materials available for various types of doors, it can help you in making a better decision for the doors of your house. The doors are made of different materials like wood, steel, aluminum glass, PVC, etc. Based on materials used for the construction of doors, they are classified in the following ways. First, wooden or timber door, like in the image. Wooden doors or timber doors are primarily used for interior door application. Timber is the oldest material used for the doors, and timber never seems out of fashion. There are many good reasons for using wood, such as wooden doors provide soundproofing, insulation, and security. They are easy to install and clean. They have long life. Being natural material, they have a different appeal. They do look elegant, but they are very costly. The glass door. Glass doors looks elegant and add richness and beauty to your home. They are a direct walkway to light in your home. Cut glass panel fitted into the wooden frames are beautiful option for front doors. The disadvantage of this door is that they are easily broken. Hence, they must be handled with care. However, with a toughened glass, this will not be happen easily. Steel doors. Steel doors are used in the interior as well as in exterior application. These doors have a steel face with a foam core for insulation. They are very strong as compared to the other doors. They might not look as attractive as wooden or glass doors. Number 6. PVC doors. PVC doors are light in weight and easy to use. They come in a variety of design and colors and looks beautiful. These doors do not corrode and do not need much maintenance, but they are not scratch proof. Next, fiberglass door. Fiberglass doors are most commonly used for exterior application. These doors have many design options and can be easily molded into different shapes and style. These doors are durable and hard. They are generally preferred for affordable houses. They do not excel other types as far as looks are concerned. Of course, cost-wise, they are economical. Aluminum glazed doors. Aluminum doors with glass panel are most commonly used in commercial application. They are strong, durable, and hence used as a security door. However, with a full aluminum panel, their look may not be as appealing as others. Nine, fiber reinforced plastic doors or FRP doors. Fiber reinforced plastic doors are also known as FRP doors. It is available in various colors and finishes in the market. Fiber reinforced plastic doors gives numerous advantages such as high strength, very low maintenance, all-weather resistant, easy fabrication, lightweight, and corrosion-free. The next one is types of door based on operation of door shutter. Based on operation of door shutter, the door are classified in the following ways. Folding doors. Folding doors are used singly or folding partitions so that two rooms can be used together as a single room or separately as per the requirement. They are more often used in room openings to garden, patios, and veranda. Sliding doors. The sliding doors consist of steel, wooden, and glass shutter to which steel rollers are fixed. These steel rollers move along a track provided at the top and bottom. It has one or more sliding shutter based on opening available. In old times, the sliding doors are steel and wood were commonly used for the large openings to go down, workshop, garage, etc. Nowadays, sliding doors are mostly used in offices and where the area is congested because sliding doors save space and increase the efficiency of usage. Swinging door. Swinging door are hinged near one edge to rotate about a vertical axis. It is hung on butts or hinges on the door frame. These doors have its shutter attached to the frame by means of double action springs. Hence, shutter can be both inwards and outwards. There are two types of swinging doors are available. One is single acting doors, which can swing 90 degrees or more in only one direction, and double acting doors, which can swing 90 degrees or more in each of two directions. Swinging doors is mostly used in offices. Next, revolving doors. In the revolving doors, the arrangement are made to rotate the door about central pivot. These doors revolve about one side of the shutter and get closed automatically. Revolving doors is desirable to exclude draft, minimize the entering of street noise, and to avoid heat losses. Revolving doors are mostly used in heavy traffic areas like high-rise building, public buildings, hospitals, etc. to regulate entry. Next, rolling shutter door. In the rolling shutter doors, the door shutter act like a steel curtain. The rolling shutter doors are advantageous as it does not require much space. These doors are very strong, durable, and offer proper safety. They are mostly used in stores, workshops, factories, garage, and shop fronts. Collapsible doors. Collapsible doors are fabricated from mild steel flats or channels and can be opened or closed by slight pull or push. The arrangement of collapsible doors is made in such a way that when you open the doors, all the strips are folded together, and while you close, the strips are stretched. They occupy the least space, and so it is preferable. Collapsible doors are used for the main entrance of the residential buildings, shops, godowns, cinema hall, etc. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors function on a special fiberglass hinge with pins that attach at the top and bottom of the door. The significant benefit of fiberglass hinges is it can support much wider and heavier doors that traditionally pin and barrel hinges. With the technical benefit, it gives aesthetic uniqueness in opening and closing and gives eye-catching swinging function. Fiberglass doors are generally used for entry doors. Next types of doors based on method of construction. Before you make a selection of doors for your house, it is essential for you should know the method of construction. Based on the method of construction, doors are classified in the following ways. Panel doors. Panel doors are the most commonly used inside house since long time. According to Chudley, author of Construction Technology Volume 1, the British Standard gives a wide variety of panel doors based on 1, 2, 3, or 4 panel format. The panel can be made of plywood, blackboard, veneer, glass, wood, and etc. They are one of the strongest door. They offer various design, but are labor-intensive and skilled workforce. Flush doors. Nowadays, the flush doors are the most common type used in the house as well as a public building due to its pleasant appearance and simple construction. These doors have a jointless surface on both sides because of the plain face. They are easy to clean and decorate. The flush doors also have high strength, durability, and are cheaper than the panel doors. With varieties of laminates and veneers, which resemble natural wood, they look beautiful and are attractive, appealing, and available to a wide range of choices. Louvered Doors. Louvered doors are used when privacy with natural ventilation and quietness for rest is desired, as they allow free passage of air even when closed. You can use louvered doors to help ventilate certain areas of your home, to add a small amount of privacy to otherwise open space, or as room dividers. Louvered doors are not much prepared because of dust. They are used for latrines and bathrooms of public building and residential building. These doors are used in cabinets, wardrobes, bathroom, utility rooms, etc. Louvered shutters are provided with louver in series, either fully or partly. The louver is arranged as such an inclination that horizontal vision is obstructed. In other words, louver is arranged such that upper back edge of any louver will be higher than the lower front edge of the louver just above it. Louver design in indoors gives some elegance in terms of look and style. The louver is made of glass, timber, or plywood. Proper louver design permits airflow for good ventilation. Wired gate door or screen doors. These doors are widely used in the house for preventing the entry of insects and mosquitoes into the house. These doors are provided in kitchens, canteens, cupboards, used for food storage, refreshments room, hotels, sweet shops, etc., with a view to get light and restrict the entry of mosquitoes and other insects. Thank you guys, and God bless. I hope you enjoyed the video for the types of door and hope that one is useful for you. And I hope na makapasa kayo sa board exam. And good luck!